Enter to win a bunch of motorcycle gear by clicking the link in the chat. We're giving away $800 of motorcycle gear. Good braking. Good situation awareness. All right, so I don't think we're going super duper fast right here. One of my biggest concerns, and we see this with parked cars, which is going to be in this situation, but we also see this when it comes to, this is like a moving lane, like a bunch of cars are moving, but they're going slow and they're all backed up. So if I ever see my lane is wide open and then I see all of these cars not moving, my biggest concern is somebody's just going to come out because my lane is open and they want to go. Now, that's obvious when it comes to parked cars trying to merge back into the main road. So it's still a fear either way. Orange stage. Go into orange stage when it comes to that. Also, plan your route, okay? So position yourself for safety is the first thing. We just located potential hazards or a specific hazard if anybody does come out. And we're going to hopefully adapt to it, but navigate these threats if they become a real threat. That's red stage. So right now we're in lane position. Let's say we're in lane position 1.2 or 1.5 or whatever. We're in between 1 and 2. So right now we have decent vision. We can see some things, but if we had to, we can adapt to this hazard by moving over into the next lane. So if we had to, so that's really good. What I don't want to see you guys do, ZZ, welcome to the crew. What I don't want you guys doing is being over here in this lane position, because now you're going to have to go really far to get across. And also your vision is not going to be the best. So remember, always position yourself for safety. When you position yourself for safety, you want the best space cushion, you want the best total stopping distance, and then you also want to have easy access to your escape routes. Those are the things that I look for. So lane, where he's at, this rider is at, is a great spot. So when we move forward on this and we see the car starting to move out, that is the side, kind of the side of the vehicle, right? That is kind of the side of the vehicle. So when you see that, it's a possible path to travel violation, okay? Perpendicular, we're going this way, right? And the car's going this way, we're gonna possibly hit. Same thing, we're gonna intersect. Is that like an isosceles or something? I don't know. Parallelograms. But right there, you gotta watch out for. So as soon as you see that, you should go to this lane to increase your space cushion. That is what you want to do, okay? That is what you wanna do. Now, the thing is, you could also do the other option of applying brake pressure. So remember escape routes, okay? So you can go left, you can go right, you can go forwards, you can go backwards. Those are escape routes. You can't hover. We don't have hover bikes yet, so you can't get over and around them. So you have multiple options. You can go left, right, forwards, or backwards. So this is acceleration going forwards. This is deceleration, applying the brakes. We can swerve right or we can swerve left. Those are the options that you have. So what this person did was decelerate. So this person decided to decelerate because of their braking skills, their fundamental skills of progressive brake pressure. Did a great job, was able to slow down, didn't have to stop, just slow down in time so that this rider didn't collide with that vehicle. And the only way you're going to do that is with practice, okay? Second channel, Motorcycle Training Concepts, we talk about that. But the main thing is I need you guys to understand that you have multiple options. You don't always have to slam the brakes, which will cause you to dump the bike, you progressive brake, but you can also swerve left and right if you have those escape paths. And if you have to, you can accelerate to get yourself out of that situation, but then slow it down a little bit because you don't want to accidentally go too crazy. Atomic Fady, hopefully I said that right. Welcome to the crew. But this motorcycle rider did a great job, did what they needed to do, and this happens all the time. So don't be too concerned about these things if you have good practice. If you know what you're doing, you're situationally aware, you're a smart rider. It's like we designed that program or those principles just for these situations. Guys, we're giving away gear. $5 to enter. We're picking a winner every month. First place is $400 RevZilla gift card.